How to add external account to TD Bank. Log into your TD Bank online account or mobile app securely. Navigate to the Transfers or External Account section. Select Add External Account to start the setup process. Enter the external bank's routing number in the designated field. Input the account number for the external bank account. Choose the account type such as checking or saving account. Verify the entered information for accuracy and completeness. Confirm the request to add external account to TD Bank. Wait for TD Bank to process and approve the external account. Complete the verification process using the small deposit amounts. The external account is now successfully linked to your TD Bank account. Hope you understood the topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.